Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw on your videos and photos in CapCut, but first I wanted to tell you that don't forget to subscribe, because at 100,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how you can make money online. So let's jump into it. First, open one of your projects that you would like to edit, or you can start a new one if you click on that plus icon, and now you have to select from your gallery that video or videos and photos that you would like to edit. And when you open one of them, you can see on the bottom of the screen the third icon is text. Click on it, then scroll till the end and you should see the draw option, the last one. And here obviously you can select the color, the size, the hardness and opacity as well. And if you click on the texture here, you can see some options, and you can draw on your photos and videos easily. And there is the eraser option as well, and you can see that I can erase if I wanted to. So when you are done, just click on the check mark and you are all set. So that's it for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.